Overconsumption directed from the beef industry begins in the fields. Dairy farming alone produces approximately 2 million tons of carbon dioxide worldwide each year. This value includes milk production, processing, transportation, and meat production. To look more closely, cows outnumber humans in 9 states. The greatest disparity is held in South Dakota. This has 4.5 cows per person. This illustrates a problem as beef cattle generate 2.03% of the United States direct greenhouse gas emissions. This percentage does not include 6.6% more direct emissions stemmed from other agricultural processes such as factories. The beef industry also contributes to deforestation for more pastures and factories. This process is completed solely to have food such as this burger on America's plate. This raises another problem, as America has no upper limit to the amount of meat that can be consumed. Consequently, there is no ceiling to the number of cows raised because suppliers can throw away the bulk of the carcass after desired meats are stripped. America's lack of portion control allows for overconsumption and therefore more waste going into landfills. As policies limit the amount of legal dumping in landfills, illegal dumping in rivers, lakes, oceans, and many other bodies of water have increased in many areas around the world. Although most of the world has improved, the plastic ocean continues to grow. This largely affects the creatures of the ocean. All of the microplastics present danger to the fertility and agility of the sea life. One instant harm brought by water pollution is the life-threatening consumption of plastics. Plastic bags are one specific example of water pollution resembling a sea creature in their food chain. To summarize, let's start with America's lack of portion control. The lack leads to a surplus of cattle. Consequently, there is a surplus of food, immense volumes of air pollutions, and deforestation for more pastures and factories. Mildly stemming from the lack of portion control, Americans indulge in habits of overconsumption. This creates a cycle of increasing the amount of cattle to produce equally mass quantities of meat to feed American overconsumption. This leads to more land pollution through food and plastic waste. The surplus of land waste influences illegal dumping, creating water pollution, harming all sea life.